welcome back to another Trendmood Box unboxing. It's been a minute since we've had one of these, but it's always fun to do, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Actually, I've had this one sitting in wait for a while, at least a few months at this point, so yeah, I'd kind of like to be able to start using the stuff, since I don't know why I still have this rule with myself of you must unbox all the things on camera before you can use them. I know it's the stupid shit, given that it's a self-imposed rule, but anyway. And this one, what do we got? We have got from the brand Vacation, we have the Vacation Studio Tone Bronze, Nourish, and Protect Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Sunscreen for Face. They're bronzing drops. I don't use bronzer like that, or the self-tanner stuff, but my sister does, so I would probably offer it to her, but if she doesn't want it, I'll flip it on eBay. You know, the usual. Then, I'm more excited about this. From Biro, New York, we have the Mango Yogurt Balancing Mist. Now that sounds pretty freaking good. I have to admit, mango anything, I am all here for. And just in general, that sounds good. We have got the Bondi Boost HG Miracle Hair Mask with Rosemary, Peppermint, Queensland Nut Oil. Okay. I feel like I potentially have either something very similar to this, or maybe I have one of these. I'll have to double check the hair stash. I'm not positive. It might not be the same one, it might just be from the same brand, it might just be similar packaging, I don't know, I have to go look. Either or, I'm still thrilled about it. This is the one I'm most excited for. The Hemp's Stardust Body Moisturizer with passion fruit and wild orchid as the scents, and it does have some light shimmer in it, but just the name Stardust in and of itself, I'm like, oh, that was my grandparents' song, was Stardust, so I'm here for that. And I like the subtle shimmer that's in there. Oh, that's the best fuck up we've had in a while. Anyway, moving right along, we've got from Naked Sundays the Glow and Go Lip Oil SPF 50 Broad Spectrum in the color Watermelon, which looks like it should be really nice, and I love that color, so here for that. From Beauty Bio, the Eyeliner Concentrate Smoothing Brightening Serum and Depuffing Tool. Ooh, oh, that I'm going to enjoy a lot, I can tell already. Also from Vacation, they're really pushing this brand lately. We have the Vacation brand Orange Gelée 30 Sunscreen Spray. Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen. A French Riviera Icon Revisited. It is oxybenzone and octinoxate free, cruelty free, vegan, shea butter, saffron, bergamot, and jojoba oils are in it. Interesting. I can't find anywhere that says what the scent is. I'm sure it has one. Maybe it's orange. That would be my assumption. See, if I'd gotten to this a little sooner, I could have used it while it was still summery weather, but oh well. Then we have, what are you? Lash Sense by Scene Gents Volume Intense Mascara. Is this one of those lash serums? Yep, lash growing ingredients, humidity and smudge resistant, separates, lifts, and curls, and it is vegan. That always makes me really nervous. I don't know why I'm so scared shitless of the idea of lash serum, seeing as I could clearly benefit from it. that, like, I have heard horror stories about the people whose eyes have swollen shut from it and shit, so I am more than a little scared, not gonna lie. More than a little scared. And finally, from Maison Louis Marie, we have Fleur de Vanille. Yes, with an E at the end. Let's see. Ooh, okay, bougie. Ooh. I don't want to get it in my water. Ooh. That smells really good. Ooh, what are the scent notes in that? Does it say? It doesn't, but oh, it smells really good. Oh my goodness. There's definitely more than just straight vanilla going on there. Oh man, that smells excellent. I hope I can make a slick spot on the floor though. I always worry about stuff like that when I squirt stuff in the air here. But anyway, that was this particular Trendmood box. Really no losers in there besides that, and that's just personal preference. So anyway, yeah, so that's it for this one, and as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddit, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the uncut for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.